Hello, I'm going to show you how to assemble your semi-assembled Triclimb. It comes in this very compact box, and you are going to need, the only thing you're going to need is a screwdriver. I am going to use a power screwdriver just to speed things up. And let's have a look at what you get in the box. So inside we have all the pieces of the Triclimb. First thing to do is lay out your rungs where they are to go on the sides. So we're going to go purple, blue, green, yellow, orange and pink. Open the screws. And you take the screws, pop them through the frame and screw them in on each rung. Then when you've done one side, don't put all the screws in fully tightened, then move over to the other side and repeat. Then when you're happy that all the rungs are lined up with the holes in the frame, you need to then tighten all the screws, but not too tight. If you're using a power drill, make sure it's on a low setting, not too powerful, and just tighten them all up. Okay, and now we have all the rungs in place. And the next step is to make sure that your Triclimb is level. So you open the frame up, place it on the floor, and check that all 4 feet are resting firmly on the floor. What you'll need to do is put some weight on it. If it's not, just to level it out. Because wood is a natural material and it does shift and bend and move over time. So you just need to give it, sometimes you need to give it a good push down and make sure it's level. Then we just need to put the bottom rung feet onto the frame. Now this uses a crosshead screw, and it's the legs are pre-drilled. You can see one that takes the screw head and a smaller hole. So make sure that the one where the screw head goes is on the bottom. Line it up. And you'll see it just catches there, ready to be screwed in. And exactly the same on the other side. And that is it. Triclimb's ready to go. You just have these locking nuts. They don't support the frame. They're just simply to stop children opening and closing it by themselves. Pop those in. And there we have it. Assembled Triclimb.